Hello alpha traders, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this channel. So you know, I have this trading strategy that I want to share with you guys today. This is going to be what I call the Downtop analysis. The Downtop analysis. Most of you know about the top-down analysis, but you do not know about the Downtop analysis. Yes, you've never had it before, but today I will teach you what the Downtop analysis is and how I use it to make this kind of profit. See, I took this trade here and profit here. And remember, mind you, this trade I was taking live. I took this trade live during a mentorship session with my students. I took this trade live. This was it. Look at it. This was the mentorship session. I even told them here. Came back here and told them. Say, whoa, guys, we took this trade during the mentorship last night, and it played out so well. TP smashed. So that's the trade. You can see it, and I made over 3K from this, $3,000 from this single setup. You can see it here. Look at it. Very nice, very amazing setup. That's it. So I'm going to explain this Downtop analysis. Meanwhile, that session was recorded. Actually, the session was recorded.
You can see we got a kind of change of character right there.
You can see.
Waiting for price to come
sessions
and retest.
Always recorded on my mentorship session. Always recorded.
Waiting for price to come and retest this other block.
So that's
this
it.
H.
If you have not joined my mentorship session, you are missing out a lot. If you are really serious about becoming a profitable trader, send me a message now on Telegram or my WhatsApp and join my mentorship program for a token. Just pay a token, learn. Like I always tell people, seek knowledge first. Trading is all about knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, you are wasting your time. There is no substitute for knowledge. You may have robots, you may have indicator, but there is no substitute for knowledge. Even if you pay for signal, you don't know how that signal will be generated. So there is no substitute for knowledge. Seek knowledge, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn. So for top-down analysis is that you start from the higher time frame and then climb down gradually to your medium time frame and then to your lower time frames. But for the Downtop analysis, you start from the lower time frames, then you get to the higher time frames. Yes. So once you see your entry model on the lower time frame, you gradually climb your higher time frames to confirm the context in which this entry setup is appearing, to know if price is actually in agreement and in alignment with what your entry setup is telling you. All right, so there are rules to using this Downtop analysis. There are rules you must follow to become profitable. Number one rule is that you must know how to do the top-down analysis. You must know how to do the top-down analysis. And I have taught the top-down analysis several times in this channel. So if you don't know how to do the top-down analysis, you can watch my videos in this channel. You will see the top-down analysis. Learn it. That's number one. You must know how to do the top-down analysis first, to help you to know how to combine different time frames in analysis. Then secondly, you must have an entry strategy. Have an entry model that you always want to see before you make your entry. For instance, I have this in this my Telegram group. That's where I saved my entry model. You can see the name, my trade models that's set up. And so these are my entry models. These are the things I want to see on the chart first before I make my entry. You can see I like a break of a neckline, break of neckline, break of trend line, and break of a moving average. Then a retest, probably that sweep liquidity. I like it before I make my entry. See, all these are examples of it. Price breaks the moving average and the trend line, breaks the neckline, sweeps liquidity, retest it, and then that's it. I'm good. The same thing here. The same thing here. Got it? So these are my entry models. Price breaks the neckline, comes, sweeps liquidity. Yes, that's my entry. Breaks the moving average and my trend line. So that's it. I see something here. Adjust it. These are my entry models. I see it here. So whenever I see this, I will enter my trade. I see it. Whenever I see this, I'll enter my trade. So my entry is based on this price action I'm telling you guys now. And neckline break is a major ingredient for me. Neckline break, trend line break, major ingredients for me. My moving average serves the same purpose as my trend line. So that's it. You can see. So this is what I want to see before I take my entry. Whenever I see this, I'm good. I'll just enter the trade and that's it. So having that at the back of your mind, you now go to your chart. Stay on your entry time frame. My entry time frames are the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes time frames. Those are my entry time frames. I hardly use 1 minute these days. So if you come to the 5 minutes time frame and look at what I saw here, guys. I saw on the 5 minutes time frame, I saw this guy here. I saw this double top here was formed. Okay. And then I saw this level was broken. Let's go to M15 actually. It's clearer there. Yeah, so this is it. I saw this double top that was formed and how price dropped. Came here and broke this neckline sharply. Dropped down here. You can see that. Now I saw this other block. I knew price would go back to retest. I wanted to know where it will retest. So I chose this place. Basically, when I place my trade here, my stop loss will be above here or somewhere around here. Okay. So when I saw this, I wanted to take the trade there, but I didn't enter immediately. Remember, this is in line with my entry strategy. Now, do you see? I actually forgot one thing: sweep of liquidity. So here, when I confirmed everything, I didn't wait for this liquidity to be swept. I actually placed an entry here. That was what they call it, pending order, sell limit. That's what I placed there. But because I did not wait for liquidity, so I had to take my stop loss far. I took it far. So price came here, tapped me in, took liquidity, and you can see how it dropped. And I believed that price will also sweep liquidity here because most people will take this as the other block. So I placed my take profit there right below it, and price came, smashed it immediately. So when I saw this entry setup from the lower time frame, I did not just dive into the trade like that. I did what we call the Downtop analysis. And how did I do it? After seeing this entry setup here, the next thing I did was to go to my 1 hour time frame. On my 1 hour time frame, I discovered that price had created this on this double top here. You can see this was a double top that price had already created, and the first top was higher than the second top. So this second top was now like a failed high. Okay, price couldn't make a higher high. So like here, if you check, you see that price was making higher highs here, higher highs, but now it couldn't make another higher high, which means price is dropping, and so it dropped quickly like this. So I say, okay, so this confirms to me that we are almost now in the downtrend. We are now in the downtrend. Now I went to my H4 time frame. Now on my H4 time frame, you can see this H4 time trend line that I drew. So I discovered that price was also reacting from the trend line. That was good. And there was this H4 order block here also. That's exactly where price was reacting. So you see, this was the down top analysis. My higher time frame was confirming what I saw on my lower time frame. So this was massive. I loved it, so I was more confident in the trade. That was why I took the trade, guys. That was just it. I analyzed from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. So I saw a trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Then I had to, use the higher time frame to check, because sometimes the trading opportunity you see, the entry opportunity you see, your entry setups that you see on the lower time frame might just be a trap. They might just be there, to lure you in. That is why in trading you have to be cynical. At some point, you have to be very cynical. When you see an entry setup, just imagine somebody trying to trick you into a trap. Be suspicious. So that's it. When I saw it, I was kind of suspicious. So I needed to use my higher time frame to confirm. And that was it. I confirmed this and it was good. So you can see, these are the conditions. So with all these conditions, I was confident that the trade was going to work out. So I took the trade. And this is it. We made profit from the market. So if you love this, you love what I've taught you now, please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. Whenever I drop a new post, you will get notified quickly. Also, check the description box down below this video. You see a link to my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel quickly. Contact me for mentorship, for account management, for VIP signals. You can also get my robots, or you get my custom indicator. Get them and help yourself in trading. Okay, so this is just it. Remember, as I always tell you guys, look at this stuff here. That's the indicator. I have made a video about it. You can see the indicator, very nice, so you can get it for yourself. So meanwhile, in all, I will advise you to seek knowledge. That's the most important thing. Seek knowledge. So contact me for mentorship. Let me teach you how to trade. You see me take trades live, practical, just the way this one was. Like I said, this was in a live session last night with my mentorship students. That was where we saw this setup and we took the trade. Okay, so if you want to learn practical, if you want to learn from someone who trades for real, I think I'm the right person. Contact me. For a little amount, I will teach you to become profitable. Yeah, so as long as you continue learning, remember one thing which I keep telling you guys: it can only get better. Goodbye.